The dramatic moments yesterday, Sherri Papini released from the Sacramento County Jail and making a dash for it. She's out on $120,000 bond, 5 days after being jailed on accusations of faking her own kidnapping. Two women covering her head as they run to the minivan, trying to escape questions from the assembled media giving chase. Papini was found beaten and bound in Woodlands 6 years ago, nearly a month after she was reported missing from her home in Redding. ABC 10's Monica Coleman is outside the Sacramento County Jail with lots of crows who've been around her all morning long. So Papini was released. Monica, it's been a wild 24 hours.
Yeah, Walt, let me walk you through it. So yesterday, Papini was released from jail from this door. Then she sprinted to meet her family at this exact spot. Then they bolted down this road here as they jumped into that minivan that you were talking about. Watch this chaotic video from yesterday as media rushed to ask Papini questions about the charges she is facing. For those at home who don't know, Papini's facing charges of lying to federal agents and mail fraud. Hours before her release, federal prosecutors argued she had run away from the arresting FBI agent just last week and was a flight risk, with a history of taking extreme measures to evade police. Her attorney, though, argues she should be released due to conditions inside, saying Papini has food allergies and hasn't been able to eat in her 5 days in jail, adding a GPS bracelet would exacerbate her complex PTSD diagnosis. A California judge agreed to Papini's release on a $120,000 bond with restrictions.
It is a case of calculated deception, driven, I think, by her narcissistic behavior.
The Shasta County Sheriff telling ABC News it's possible there could be more charges once the grand jury convenes next week. Investigators believe Papini didn't pull off this hoax alone, but Papini has not yet entered a plea, but the 39-year-old mother could face 25 years in prison if found guilty. Walt.
Okay, Monica Coleman outside the county main jail where Papini was released. Showed you the video there yesterday. Thank you. Our coverage does not end here. Good Morning America has an exclusive interview with a lead investigator who's been on the case since the very beginning.
It was frustrating to not be able to have answers. As investigators, we want answers. We need something tangible to hold on to. And when you don't have that, or you're dancing around some answers that may be there, it can get very frustrating and taxing and tiring.
That's coming up right here on ABC 10 at 7:30. So, Brea, that was a pretty crazy mad dash, and I got a lot of questions, having been at that same spot many times with other suspects. I mean, we're looking for, at times, the suspect will stop and say something.
Right.
A lot of times we'll find the attorney who will give us, I mean, we have to cover the story.
Right.
It doesn't look great when you see something like we just showed you, but it is part of the job and what we have to do, because we have to get an update on what's going on.
Right. It's an opportunity for them to say something as well. So that's our job, to get the news out there.
Yeah,
so that's
not pleasant, but it has to be done.
Absolutely. And if you want more details on the Papini case, you can see our coverage from over the years right now on abc10.com.